Bohr says that organic farming in Africa involves more than being chemical-free, which is already status quo. The so-called traditional agriculture needs to be developed, she says. It's no longer sustainable. Organic agriculture means putting a strong focus on the soil and taking care that the soil is healthy and fertile.
Okay, so what do we have here?
For thousands...
Actually, who reads this right now for generations?
Okay. For right here, for generations, farmers in rural Africa have used slash and burn methods. They clear a small section of land and burn the underlying brush in order to plant corn or sorghum. At the end of each harvest, farmers do another burn to clear the dying stalks and undergrowth. This is tough on the land. Fire depletes soil nutrients, and rain washes away rich topsoil unmoored on bare fields. After a few years, the soil turns reddish and crumbly, and crops no longer thrive. Traditionally, that's when a farmer moves on and cuts another plot. He leaves the original field fallow, letting nature slowly reclaim and replenish it. In a decade or so, it's ready for crops again. For thousands of years, this is a kid language. For thousands of years, people have practiced slash and burn agriculture. They're not thinking about getting rich. They are thinking about growing food. If farmers don't use the soil well, then they will have to move on to another land and cut down the trees. If we don't take care of the soil, the same thing could happen there that happened during the Dust Bowl. It means like wash away, kind of, takes away.
And what does it mean to be
Like abandon, like no one uses it anymore.
Faith, what did you mean when you said that they've been doing this for thousands of years? Why have they been doing this for thousands of years?
Farmers have been doing this for thousands of years because they thought that it was their only method.